In times of uncertainty, you need stability, and I think economic relationship between China and Germany can bring such stability between China and Germany, but also between China and Europe. And China and the economy of Germany have good effects in cooperation. There are huge fields of fruitful cooperations when you think at ecological technology, for example, for health products, for example, the health market will be very important. Maybe also for tourism. I think we should do more for tourism between Germany and China as well.
Für Deutschland, für China und für China, für Deutschland weiterhin ein unfassbar wichtiger Handelspartner bleiben.